Here. And, is this recording? Hold on. Yep, it's recording. And, today, I will be teaching you how to build a butterfly knife out of paper. How do I always mess that up? Let's see, and then we can close it. Yes. This, okay? Alright. So the materials you'll need is some sort of scissors, a glue stick or a glue bottle. I'd prefer a glue stick because glue bottles suck. Yeah, I would really prefer the glue stick. But I can't find my glue stick, so today I won't be using that. But the first thing you'll need to do is fold your paper in hot dog style. No, not hot dog, hamburger style, like this. And then you will want to open that. And then you want to glue it. Glue one side. And then spread that glue around. And rip off a piece of paper and turn around. I got some on there. Alright, so then you want to close that. And you want to do the same and fold it again hamburger style. And when you're done folding that hamburger style, so what it's going to look like this. Then you open it again, and you put the glue. Now you want to fold it hot dog style, so it's going to look like this. And then you see the crease in the middle, right here? Like there's a crease. And you want to fold each edge to the middle. Okay? And these will be your handles. See the crease in the middle again? You're going to want to cut the crease in half. And cut it. I'm having difficulties here, so just want to hold on there. Hold on to what you got. And you're going to want to, let these dry. So just hold on, let them dry. So put them down, let them dry, lay them out. These ones I haven't made them bad, so they're garbage. Alright, so to make the blade, you'll sort of do the same thing, except you're going to be drawing the blade part, and then you're going to be cutting that blade part out. So, same steps as before. So I'm going to go back in the video and see, like this, glue it. I'm trying to go as fast as I can, guys. So, if this is unsatisfactory, then just don't like it, or like it if you like this video. So we kind of do the same thing. You gotta rip a piece of paper off and then spread it out. So. same thing, hamburger style. Glue it. And then put it in. And we're gonna have to let this dry. So again, like I said, you're gonna fold it hot dog style, but this time you are going to glue it. So like this, just glue it. Like that. You want to get your piece of paper that you used. And spread that out. And then you're seriously going to want to let this dry so the blade's like good enough. Alright. So, oh, and another material you will need, not mineral, but you will need a pen or pencil so you can draw. And I'm going to show you how to draw it because there's a specific way you have to draw it, and then you'll cut it out. So, I'll be right back. Guys, you know what I'm going to actually do? You can have a Sharpie or anything, but I'm going to draw it. You can draw the blade however you want, but the bottom part, just specifically, you have to draw it. So, bring this over here. Alright, hold on, that's my phone. Hello? Hi, Mom. Good. I'm in the middle of making a YouTube video. It's alright. Alright. Love you too. Bye, Mom. Okay, stop laughing. It's my mom. Alright, so this is how you're going to want to draw it. You're going to want to make a circle part like this. Alright, this is part 2 because my mom called on this phone and messed the video up, so you're going to want to draw it. You're going to want to Alright, so that's how you're going to want to draw it. And this is how I'm going to draw my blade, so. Alright, so this is how you want to draw it. The blade part doesn't really matter, so you just have to make it fit those over there. So you're gonna want to cut that out. So here, I'm gonna cut that out. Sharpie back. I think it's dry enough. It might not be, so probably not. So might be weird. Moving that down. If you want, you could use tape to make this blade a little more sturdier. Oh crap. No, not today. That sucks. Don't fail me. No! Well, it doesn't matter. I kind of messed up on the blade. Who cares? It's just a YouTube video. Yeah, but I don't really want to make this good. Alright, so you see me cutting it out, right? I'm not sure if you saw me, but you gotta be really careful. And if it like fails, you gotta let it dry a little more. Yeah, see? Because I messed up. It's a little weird. Yeah, but it's worth it. So to make this, you're going to want to take these out. Taking these out. Making a different one. Because remember in the first one, I told you to use these and these. So what you're going to want to do with them is you're going to want to cut this a little shorter. In this case, I'm going to rip it because I'm going to cut it later. You can like make designs on this and it'll look all cool and stuff. You can show this to your friends, make a YouTube video about it. I don't care because it won't copyright me. And just to make this sure that all credit goes out to whoever made a video like this, because I actually myself I made a YouTube, like my YouTube sometimes like copyright videos, but I don't really want to copyright them because sometimes I don't know about the videos. So yeah, you guys kind of get the idea, right? So what you want to do is you want to stick that in there. Then grab an eraser tip and then use that. So it goes like that. And so it turns. Right. I'm going to use my other one for this. It's already dry. And what you want to do, you want to put that right here. Stick it through there. Like this. So it's in there. And you want to put the eraser tape on the end, then put the other handle on there, stick it through the hole. Right. And then put the other eraser tip on the other one. And you got your butterfly knife. So, comment, subscribe, whatever. I don't really care what you do, because I don't have your life. But that's the end of the video. So, bye guys. Signing out. And I'm going to play a catchy tune before I leave. No. I'll do that in the next video.